5. Now this one on me. This one on me. Puchikosi now. Puchikosi. Come north. Spread. Come north. Spread. On me now. 5 me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit. Come north. Downhill. Come to me.
Naglalag.
Hindi yan.
Come to me. Ready? Tell me ready, yo. Ready. Ready kami na. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit.
Dalag ka.
Di ba? Di naman ah.
Hindi.
Ako ata yung
Hindi ah.
nagdalag.
Ikaw yung naglalag.
Naglalag ako, pre.
Puti.
Yo,
Naglalag kayo.
Don't be stupid. Mount up. We're gonna mount up now in 5, 4,
Wala
3.
nang fight.
Where's my party?
Yo, I told you. Stick to the fucking green people. Don't blend with purple. Okay? How hard is that, bro?
Mounted na. Kaya niya ito.
We're gonna counter for ally. Careful. Get away.
Saan kayo nakalok?
Careful.
Walang nakalok after.
Careful. On the gate now, on me, ready. Hold. On the gate now, wait. On the gate now, ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hit. Come back. Ready, defend. Cleanse up lang. Come back.
Uy, gago.
Patay.
Patay.
Yo, young blood, then Salor. What the fuck?
Isa.
Come back.
Kung baka agad.
Trigger na lang guys.
DPS ready, pre.
Wait, hold. Just hold. Huwag kasi kayo mag-pick. Hindi pa naman tayo
Looking.
DPS ready, ah.
Engage.
Nagingit na.
Talabas ako po ka. Patay si Marcos. Brawl yung lurk natin po ka.
Okay, we're gonna face that.
Bro, yeah.
Once they come in, we're gonna face that. Play ano guys?
Nagpapangga
Play
na
wise,
tayo.
play
Tayo
wise,
tapos
bro.
toss fire.
Hindi dapat tayo namamatay dito.
Nasa taas yung kabila. Ay, yung aftermath eh.
Tayo, di pa dapat
Sino
tayo
namamatay? Sino namamatay? Okay.
Bakaran.
Iba pala. Iba.
range DPS kayo lahat to. Hit nyo sila, max range.
Undefensive na yung ano.
Aftermath. Nandito na sa north. Mounted.
Find your crown, guys.
Spread here,
niya.
spread here, yo. Spread here, okay, hug bulls. Get away from the middle.
Going south
The
is yung
middle
alay.
daw.
First engage
They're going east. Careful east. Go northwest now. Go northwest now. Go northwest now. Careful over the wall, Sibit. Let them.
Yun.
Careful, they're gonna engage. Care.
Nag-engage na yung southeast.
On me now,
Engage
ready
yung
on the
top
gate now, ready on the gate now. Wait, hold. On the gate now, after the cleric. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hit. Hit. On me now, hit. Come back. Chill. Go north side.
Resetting.
Chill.
Iya tama.
Nabang ka.
DPS ready, ah.
Chill lang.
Sino bang northeast?
Chill lang, let them come in. Heal alay.
May sandwich tayo.
Galang.
Hindi, pupuro yan sa, pistol. Brawl camp.
Brawl camp din yung
Ay,
dito
ito.
ka.
Chill. Careful, may bang bat, boys. May bang bata natoy. For sure.
Kanina nakaka-blood
Wala.
miss.
Puro brawl to, alis eh.
Walang bomb pero
Tama,
bang
bro.
DPS.
May siege bow. Southwest.
Go north more.
Yung stage ball nila nakan.
May brawler din sila. Salamat.
Basag na
Masak na yan,
east
guys. East.
Careful.
Brawler nga.
Careful.
Tier 10.
Banger brawl
On
yung
now,
top
ready on
side.
north side.
Tapos,
Find me. Gonna engage on
Normal
north side
brawl.
now. Ready. On north side now, ready. Find me north side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hit. Hit. Come back. Ready defense. Come back.
Bago namatay si
Si
Derek.
Derek.
Matay si Derek.
Defend.
Namatay ata sa demon.
Ilmin.
Gago di ko na Derek to.
Kaya hindi mo nalot si Derek.
Lagyan si Derek.
Basag din northwest.
DPS ready DPS ready.
Food check. Ano kung food?
Dito na sa Galembot. Tala ako. Sa southwest.
West na sila.
Southwest.
Iingat kayo sa ano, chest.
Karap nila po pa. Karap nila po.
Come back. Careful west side. Come back. East.
Basag na yung northeast. Gate.
Basag na lahat.
Yan, basag na
Open na to.
lahat. Careful.
Sila lang.
Nag-engage.
Go, careful. Get away from the middle. Go east side more. East side. Careful lang doon north side. They going. Wait,
Kung tayo mag-engage po.
just hold. Wait. Hug south.
Slowly
Go south.
Mag-engage na yung alay.
Go south.
North.
Careful west. Go south.
Inching up yung west.
Yo, push on aftermath now. Push on aftermath. Push on aftermath. Push on aftermath. On me now. Find me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hit.
Big.
Nice.
That's
Defend. Go inside. Defend. Boys, ganda. Boys, go inside. Sige lang. We're good. Defend that.
Demon.
Defend.
Pahil.
Go inside. Sige lang. Go inside. Go south. Hug wall south.